Hi, I'm Laura Storm. I just wanted to say hi to the AST family and just say that I'm really looking forward to the workshops that we will run in May. The workshops will be taking you through regenerative leadership, and we will touch upon why this is different from sustainability and why there's a need for a regenerative approach. We will also dive into the regenerative business DNA and explore how other companies are working with regenerative business and in what ways they are implementing regenerative principles into their value chain. So you will be familiar after the workshop with the regenerative business DNA and have an overview as to how you could get started on your regenerative journey. You would get tools as to how you can transform your thinking of being a traditional leader to seeing yourself as an ecosystem facilitator. So I really look forward to this session, and I can't wait to meet you all. Bye.